In 2025, 67% of real estate agents expect home prices to continue rising across the U.S. Market balance is shifting. 45% see a buyer's market, while 41% believe it favors sellers.